Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, central Jackson County in east central Iowa, central Dubuque County in northeastern Iowa, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Finley's Landing Park to Bryant, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dubuque, Galena, Asbury, Savannah, Bellevue, Stockton, East Dubuque, Preston, Hanover, Elizabeth, Woodbine, Cibola, Miles, Scales Mound, Apple River, Lamont, Menominee, Rickardsville, Sherrill, and Springbrook. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and northeastern and east central Iowa.